So in this question, we are asked to describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Right, now with this translation, you're expected to give your answer in this bracket where the top number describes how the shape has moved along the x-axis and the bottom number is how the shape has moved vertically with the y-axis. Right, now if the shape has gone up, that one gives us a positive answer. If it goes down, that one will give us a negative on the answer. So the same with the x. So if it's going right, it's positive, and if it's going left, it's negative. Now, all I'm going to do with this is pick one corner and I'm going to match it up with the corresponding corner on the other triangle. So to get really to this position, I've got to move it across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so I know that the top is going to be 6. Now it's gone towards the right, so it's going to be positive 6. Now to match, I've got to move from here up to this point there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it's gone up, so it's positive, and that's the final answer. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.